So 10 minutes, and I just realized that I really doesn't have the original reference of any work. So it will be fun. Next time on, I will try to throw some shadows and all. If I will, doesn't save reference image. And one more thing, the sheet are A4 sheets, so please do not think that I will throw a lot of colors in these sheets like I throw in canvas and all. I have not put the gesso itself, so these all are just simple sketch that I have done, and now I'm just doing colors in this for fun because I didn't have anything else to do right now. I am finding a reference for my college work and all, but until I didn't find any kind of reference, I cannot start a new work. And I'm also thinking that I should do some watercolor portrait. So let's see, after this I can go for a watercolor portrait as well. I will try to do it if I want, if I have the energy itself till end. Yes, so till now I have used black and burnt umber and the reference. Okay. I will give a little bit of highlights in this afterwards. So 2 minutes have passed and I have just drawn the hairs only. So I have to hurry up. I forgot that I have a deadline for these videos and all. So as I have not saved the reference, I'm just doing it my own self. So it is going to be weird and all, using weird colors. I will just try to do my best to not, disappoint my own self right now. Okay, so the pencil I have used was 8B in the sketches, so it just messed up the entire thing now. 3 minutes have passed. 3 minutes. So let's put the sun over here. Maybe this area. Let's put the sun over this area and all, and light is coming from here. So maybe it's going to be tough now. I just messed up. Maybe I should set 15 minutes. I am saying feeling this now. But I guess now I realize that I have misplaced the eyes. Okay, let's correct it right now only. You know, mixing colors in portrait, I guess, is one of the hardest thing that is I'm fixing right now. And this portrait is will be not going to be like a real portrait now. I'm just messing it up. I just messed it up. Okay, I will just give me myself a little bit time. Okay, just 1 or 2 minute extra. I know it is ruined, but still, please. I just let me just make some adjustment and all. No, if this is here, it will be here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See the proportion, guys. See the proportion. See this proportion. See this proportion. It have to be like this. See this proportion of mine. Okay, so I'm going to end it over here. It have been 10:20, so it is complete. Not complete, but okay. So 10:20. This is the end.